A 35-year-old woman who works as a tower crane operator in East China's megacity Shanghai says there is no ceiling but only a blue sky above her head, showing better gender equality in her career. Li Manman, the mother of three, is an employee with China Construction Third Engineering Bureau Co. Limited. She has participated in 8 construction projects over the past 15 years.
我每天上班要爬上101米的塔吊驾驶室，我的工作是工地上最高也是最寂寞的，因为我只跟我的信号工说话。只要16吨以内的材料我都能吊，钢筋、木方这些东西几斤几两我都十分清楚。
Li is the only woman tower crane operator on the construction site. She loves her job and is confident in her profession.
孩子们也都长大了，可这座城市每天还是有新的楼、新的路要造。看着我面前的高楼一层一层升起，就像小时候搭积木一样，充满成就感。未来一定会有更多女性加入我这个行业。我觉得做这行蛮好的，没有天花板，因为我的头上只有蓝天。